None of that. I'm going to work right after I'm done at the hospital. I'm going. And I'm motherfucking calling out. No, none of that, baby. Give me money. We getting that money out 2024. But we been getting that money, but you know what I'm saying. I smell a lawsuit. I smell a lawsuit. Guess what? And I'm still finna go pop my shit at work. But yeah, I'm at the motherfucking hospital. Aggy as fuck. I'm at the hospital, y'all. All because of a slip and fall in Walmart. I done twisted my ankle. But it's okay. I know I gotta do what I gotta do. Make sure she alright. Cause, boy. You know how it be. You know how it be.
You get in there?
Yeah. This girl keep on coming by checking on me. She better leave me alone. She don't know I like pussy too. She don't know I like niggas and bitches. I like both of them. You like niggas and bitches. Both of them. I like both. What you talking about? Here you talking about. Here you talking about. I like both of them. Who is this? Honey, I don't know you. Hop up out my motherfucking message request. I mean, approve whatever the fuck it's called. Hop up out of it. I'm liking this new energy. Thank you, baby. I appreciate it so much. Thank you, Eddie. Oh, that's Eden. What's up, boo? Let me see. Where everybody at? What's up, Zayna? I don't know these other bitches. What's up, Chanel? Thank you. Thanks, darling. Sierra. I don't know you, but what's up? Life with my two. I think I know who it is. Okay. Well, glad you're okay and all that. I'm talking around that. Yeah, I'm okay. Thank you for asking. Thank you for asking, darling. I'm at the hospital. I'm at the hospital. I need to go ahead and drop these videos for y'all because I made some content. I made some content for y'all. You feel what I'm saying? You did. I made some content for y'all. And yeah. But y'all boring me. Y'all boring me. Y'all boring me. Y'all be in the comments heavy. So talk to me then, nigga. Y'all better get that shit together. Wake it up. Act like you know who live you on. And you know what's so crazy? I find it very, 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 very funny and humorous that I have to What happened? Why you at the hospital? I'm at the hospital because I was just in a situation. Shit, this stretch was amazing. Ooh. Almost turned the camera around. Why are we on a gurney? I'm on a gurney because I'm inside of the hospital. I was just inside of Walmart, shopping, doing what people do inside of Walmart. And as I was walking, I was finna get ready to go inside of the aisle. I slipped and rolled my ankle, twisted my ankle inside of the Walmart from a puddle of water. And so from that water, it was a problem because I hit the ground. Well, I didn't really hit the ground. I caught myself, but in the moment of getting ready to hit the ground, I twisted my ankle. So, yeah, that's what happened. No, you can't see my ankle. You're not a doctor. You know? You finna get paid. Oh yes, honey. Yes. That's in the script as well. Yeah. Definitely finna get paid. They should have made sure there was a wet floor sign around. Huh. The wrong one slipped and fell in the store, baby. The wrong fucking one slipped and fell in the Walmart. And it was real. It ain't fake. It was real. But the wrong one fell in the Walmart, baby. I can tell you that one. I'm a paid ass man. I'm about to be a paid ass nigga. Yes, I did. They ran the cameras back. Why do you think they did the claim when I was inside of the Walmart? They brought that iPad out, baby. They have been checked them cameras. That's what I tell you. Baby, I did the claim inside of Walmart. I made a report at the store, did the claim at the store, and went straight to the hospital. Yes, ma'am. Uh-huh. Was he on live when it happened? No, I was not. Did they have a wet floor sign on the puddle? There was no wet floor sign around, and I wasn't the only one around. Not only was I not the only one around, but there were other workers that were there that saw me slip and fall. There was somebody that I know that works inside of Walmart that saw me slip and fall. And there were 3 people with me that came with me to Walmart that saw me slip and fall. So, baby, that's enough evidence with that. And not only did I do a claim and a report, but they did a claim and a report. 2 other people did a claim and a report as well with my claim. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. And it's on cameras. They ran them cameras back, too. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. First of all, there's no reason to know why the floor is wet, and there's no wet floor sign around. There's nothing around stating that the floor is wet. I don't know if somebody came by, spilled something, you about to mop something up or something or whatever, and y'all just didn't get it up. But my thing about it is, fix it. Ken, I'm an RN. What are you being an RN? I don't need you as an RN. You won't be in that court system. I mean, you won't be in that court case. I don't need your expertise. Maybe while I was in the hospital, but I don't need your expertise inside that courtroom. Your job is while I'm at the hospital. You're not a lawyer, and your damn show ain't the judge. I don't need your expertise in the courthouse. Stay in your occupation. I don't need your expertise, baby. I am severely hurt. You can't tell me my pain. You're not me. Just because you're a doctor don't mean you can tell me how badly I'm hurting. Honey. Wake that up. Facts. You're supposed to lay there until they call the emergency room. No, you're not. See, that's black people at its best. They come up with things to make it more and more possible for them. But see, when it actually happens, it's going to fall through. It's on camera. I slipped in water and fell. You can't make it up. The workers had to help me off the ground. You can't make that up. I said what I said, and you ain't doing shit about it. You just got yourself removed from the line. And I'll be Mr. Potato Teeth all day long. I'm about to be Mr. Paid Potato Teeth. And guess what I'm paid now? Somebody be paid up. Ooh.
I have altered labels too.
You said divided by 2.2?
Yes.
You bitches are pissy. You bitches are hard. You bitches are mad. It's okay. Didn't exclusive do this too? LOL. I don't know nothing about no exclusive, baby. I'm Ken. Okay, Ken, I hope you feel better. Thank you. I hope you are okay. Yes, I'm okay. I'm okay. Yes, I'm laughing because I'm finally sitting down somewhere comfortable from all the pain, the exhilarating pain that's shooting from my ankle to my leg. What did you hurt? My ankle.
It is, for sure.
My ankle's hurting really bad, man. Yeah. I was in the head-on collision last year. Oh, damn. I'm sorry that happened to you, baby. I'm so sorry that happened to you. And I know you was compensated, weren't you? I was in the head-on collision last year, Carter Tuesday. My ankle and my back. My back is starting. I think I need to add this to the. I think I need to add this to the thing. My back is hurting really badly. It's starting to hurt where my spine is. Hey, excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
I wanted to relay this to my doctor or my nurse.
Okay.
I'm starting to feel pressure in the middle of my back.
Okay.
Like it's tense towards the lower of my back, going up.
Okay. And pressure build up, that's all?
Yes.
All right. I'll let me.
Thank you so much.
Pressure build up.
Well, I think my finger's only hurting because of my rock on my head. That's the only reason why that's hurting. My finger's okay, though. My wrist is a little sore, too, but I can fix that. Just take this wash off. Everything hurt at this point. Oh, my neck and my back. My neck and my back. My neck is hurting, too. It just started hurting for some reason on the right side. Y'all do too much in the comments. Let me stop. Nah, for real though, my ankle hurt real bad though, real shit. Now my back is hurt a little bit, but I ain't finna do the most. Shit, let me be truthful. You only get good and do it right. Do it the right way. But for real though, my back and my ankle hurt. My teeth. Why would my teeth hurt?